Welcome back. The next step in the program development process is to compile my code. I'll keep the defect tally handy in the event that I discover any defects, and press the compile button. The first error is that it can't find string builder in java.util. So, let's look up what that might be. Let's look up Java string builder. And string builder is in the lang package, not the util package. Okay, that fixed that problem. So we'll record that as one defect that was injected during code, found during compile. Next, it tells me it can't find a symbol here. Map's missing. Import for map. Okay. So that was an error and injected during code and found during compile. Now it's complaining that it can't find high count. Oh, misspelled it there. And now compiled with no errors. So that was an error during code and compile. So 3 compile errors in PhoneMap. So that took me 2 minutes in the compile phase, and now I can go on to test. So I'm going to test PhoneMap by running the unit tests I've written. First one was translate, so test translate, and it succeeds. Hooray! But the next one was test add num, and it succeeds. Hooray! The next test was test update. It succeeds. The next test was test get words. That succeeded. Test get multiple words. And we have an error. It expected EF but was DD. At line 94. Line 94, expected DEF. It was DD. So DEF, DD. Oh, that was an error in my test. The first DDD comes before DEF. So this should actually be DDD. So that was not an error in my code, that was an error in my test. And once again I have the error GHI that was FFF. Let's see, ABCD, GF comes before G. Boy, I don't know my alphabet very well. And I didn't, somehow I had another error in my test. Let's compile it and run that again. Okay, multiple word succeeds, and we can see the displayed output from the results. 222 has 2 words, 333 has 4 words. They're in the proper alphabetical order. 444 has 1 word, and 9 has 1 word. Looks perfect. And then lastly, test all 1 succeeded. How about that? So let's test all. Green bar. Okay, all the unit tests for PhoneMap are passing. Great. So 3 minutes to test the PhoneMap class, and there was 0 defects found during unit testing